Good morning, Vikings. I just came to my grandfather's place here, freezing here very badly. Today, I just want to go to the beach nearby me at this time. So, as the beach is near to me, I just want to make a video of the sunrise here. As to go to the beach, I have to pass through these lands and then a small forest. I think it's not big, but it was scary, very scary, and lots of boars were there. So I hope for the best to go to them. So yes, I am very excited. Explore the forest and then the beach. Here we go. If you are not part of Vikings, just click the subscribe button below and become the part of Vikings. This is my dog, Siri. Let's go, guys. Explore the beach now. Go, 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 go. As you can see, guys, these lands were full of coconut trees over here and some cashew nut trees and even mango trees. As the way is not that good and it was pretty dark and foggy, so I hope this would be somewhat great. I don't expect much. It was bad due to the mud over here. Let's go. Let's not. Some water. As you can see, guys, I just crossed these lands over here next to me, and there are a lot of lands, and from those spots, it was the forest I need to cross, and it was a scary place, and as I said before, a lot of boars were moving there. Come. You need to go fast. What? This place is as scary as it is. Just take a look. Oh my god. Shit. Oh shit. I need to pass like this. Ooh. And there may be snakes over here. So I hope for the best not to happen anything for me. And here what I am placing as a signal or something has to find out the place when I come back from the beach. It's okay. That is the signal. This is the forest over here. This whole thing As you can see, Siri, what are you thinking? What are you thinking, Siri? So let's go, guys. Siri, come fast. What happened? What happened to your leg? Okay, let me see it. What happened? Something bad. Okay. I will take. Okay. Okay. These are the things, guys. So I think I need to care. Okay. Okay, let's go. I found the beach. Here it is, the beach. I finally made it. My breath is out, guys. It was a good experience, and as I ran faster, so boats don't attack me, and of course they weren't at this right time, I think, around. I hope for the best, guys. So here you can see the wow. What I like the best here is the foam of the sea. Wow. It was going to sunrise soon! Guys, as you can see, that is the moon over there, and I am waiting for the sun to rise. Wow. Guys, as I came to the beach, let's do a 360 around with me. Wow. The forest. This whole thing was forest, guys, and the beach. as time is running out and the sun rises, well, so I need to wrap up here for today as beach days part 1, and the part 2 was from here